We're going to build a completely free garden bed for vegetables or flowers, using only simple materials already available at home. The goal is to create a nutrient-rich bed without spending any money, and the process becomes very easy once you understand the purpose of each layer. Begin by selecting a spot in your garden that receives plenty of sunlight. Most vegetable plants need at least 6 hours of direct sun, so try to choose a place that stays bright from morning till evening. After choosing the location, clean the area thoroughly by removing weeds, stones, and anything that may disrupt the structure of your bed. Loosen the top layer of soil so it can blend naturally with the materials you'll add later. Once the area is ready, start forming your bed by adding soil directly on top of the cleaned ground. The aim is to raise the level slightly higher than the surrounding area. You don't need wooden frames or borders. Simply mold the soil into shape using a shovel or your hands. A raised bed improves drainage, root growth, and airflow. If you have good garden soil anywhere in your yard, use that to shape the main structure. After forming the bed, create side ridges along both edges. These small walls help hold water whenever it rains or whenever you water the plants. This water storage is especially helpful during hot weather because the moisture slowly seeps into the soil, keeping roots hydrated and preventing nutrients from washing away. Next, prepare the center of the bed by forming a long ridge on top. This is where you'll add your kitchen waste. Use fruit peels, vegetable scraps, tea leaves, leftover greens, anything that decomposes easily. Avoid using meat, dairy, and oily foods. Spread the kitchen waste along the center ridge. Over time, this organic material will break down and turn into natural fertilizer, feeding your plants from within. Once the waste is added, sprinkle any soil boosters you already have at home. Rock phosphate helps with root development, while mustard cake powder provides additional nutrients. These are optional, but even a small amount can improve soil quality. After adding them, cover the waste with a layer of compost. The compost introduces beneficial microbes that speed up decomposition and enrich the soil. Now add another layer of regular soil to seal the ridge and cover everything completely. Make sure no kitchen waste is exposed. Gently press the soil to remove air pockets, but keep it loose enough for decomposition to continue smoothly. Then spread a thin layer of compost over the entire bed. This top layer provides a soft, nutrient-rich surface for seed germination. At this point, you can either plant immediately or wait for about 2 weeks to let the buried materials break down further. Waiting improves the soil even more. But planting right away is also fine because the seeds will sprout while the materials underneath decompose. If you choose to plant now, make shallow grooves in the compost, sprinkle your seeds, and gently cover them. Finally, water the whole bed thoroughly. You'll notice how the side ridges hold water instead of letting it run off, keeping the soil moist during early plant growth. Maintain slight moisture but avoid overwatering. Over the coming days, the kitchen waste inside will warm up, decompose, and gradually improve the soil structure while feeding your plants naturally. Once everything settles, your free garden bed will be ready to support strong, healthy growth, all without spending a single rupee.